So welcome to the lab work on spatial information science. I'm Shahab Fazal and I'm from the Department of Geography at Aligarh Muslim University. We are continuing with our previous lab work which we did on Google Earth. So we continue to learn about Google Earth as source of spatial information. In this session, we will learn to digitize the Google Earth details, the area of interest which we want to depict in our spatial information, drawing from the Google Earth information. So we have done some conversion of Google Earth map into KML format in our previous session. Now today we would learn as to how we can digitize into Google Earth image. So we have done this exercise in our previous session. So in the previous session, we brought our area of interest into Google Earth. So if you recall, we had one polygon for Aligarh city, and then we brought it into the Google Earth image. So in this way, we use supporting format file to KML format by using Quantum JI's, the software which we are using. Now in this exercise, as I am saying, that we will be digitizing the polygon features of interest in Google Earth. So this is a larger area of Google Earth, and that is why the polygon which we have brought into our analysis is not so visible, because it's the entire Aligarh is being represented as a point. So it's a much larger area, but it lies somewhere here. That entire polygon which we brought into the Google Earth, converting the format into KML format. So you might be thinking that why that larger polygon of Aligarh, why it is not appearing? Simply because this particular Google Earth image is representing much larger area. Almost half of the Uttar Pradesh is being represented here. So that way, that particular area is a little small. And that is why it is not appearing. But as I am saying that it is appearing somewhere here, otherwise it would have, if we would have taken a larger area, it could have come straight away. So the objective here is that we want to digitize polygon features of Aligarh Muslim University, and not only Aligarh Muslim University, but also within Aligarh Muslim University there is one residential hall which is a very famous and very architecturally very prominent structure of Aligarh Muslim University. So we would be digitizing the Sir Syed Hall, SS Hall, which we call it, and its surrounding structures we would be digitizing. That's what is the objective. So first we need to locate the desired location, and then we have to select it. So that desired location is that of Aligarh Muslim University, and when we would be within the Google Map folder, when we search for Aligarh Muslim University, it will zoom into the university part, and then we will have to click on OK, and that makes that will come like this. This way you would be locating your area of interest, and that would be zooming, the Google Earth will zoom into that particular portion of the Aligarh city. So that if you have ever explored the Google Earth, you know that how it works. So it simply we are narrowing down to the location of our interest so that we can digitize the desired structures and buildings and areas which is of our interest, and we want to digitize it. So that way you have to narrow it down to the desired location within the Google Earth. So here we want to digitize polygon features of, as I am saying, SS Hall and its surrounding area within the Aligarh Muslim University in Google Earth. So as I have said that you have to zoom into the location and click on the add polygon. So from here the exercise starts. Now you recall how we can add polygon. It is just go to the menu bar, click on the add polygon for digitizing the desired location, and we can access the same tool via the menu bar. If you recall, we did in QGIS. So that way you will notice that the new polygon pop-up window on screen is appearing, and then you assign the name of the polygon. Whatever name you want to give to that particular polygon, that also you have to do in this particular part of your exercise. So here we are giving the name as stretchy hall, which is one structure which is in the SS hall which we want to digitize. Then when you assign the polygon would be displayed. Now here another important point which I would like to highlight here is that when this polygon is appearing, we can customize it. The polygon can be customized. In what way? So that it is better, it is more visible on the Google Earth image. So for that matter, we will click on Style. There in the color tab, under line, we can change the color. So it may be more visible on the Google Earth image. You know that it's a satellite image. So if darker color would be, if we select as color for polygon, it may not be very visible. So that's why I'm suggesting you to change the color. So I have selected yellow color. So yellow would be more prominently appearing over this satellite image, and that way you would be, when you would finish off your digitizing, very easily you can identify that which polygons, which structures you have vectorized, you have polygonized. So that would be the important aspect of this particular digitization of polygon. Then another is the width. Now if the width is thinner, then again it won't be very visible. So here I have made it a little thicker. The width is I have placed as 3, which is quite thick. So the outline would be very prominently appearing on the image. That's what the objective of highlighting this particular aspect of our analysis now in digitization here. So that I have highlighted, because here I want the polygon which I have digitized is more visible on the Google Earth image. So now you can see that when I digitize the SS hall, it is more clearly visible because of its prominent color contrast over the image, that is yellow, and the thickness is also quite thick. The width of the polygon line is also quite thick. It is 3, so it is very easily can be recognized, and you can view it. So once you complete with the digitizing the building, click on OK, and that way you would get all the polygons can be digitized, and this way this will appear like this. When you click OK, the new polygon window would be appearing. So this way you can digitize more structures within the area of interest. You see, in last here it is only one big polygon covering the entire SS hall. These are the 2 structures, SS hall, and then we did few more. For example, this is the cricket ground which has been digitized. There is another, the AstroTurf hockey ground, which is here. So this way we can digitize many structures. This is the mosque which we have digitized, and these are the halls. So this way you can digitize as many polygons as you want. Whatever is the interest area, you can digitize, and that way we digitize over the Google Earth. And then now we can save the digitized polygons to KML. You just have to right click on the folder contain digitized polygon. Here you can name it whatever is appropriate for the polygons which you have digitized. So you have to name them as save places as, and then other polygons can also be digitized. You can assign the name as college and save as type KML. So this is another important aspect which you should keep in mind, that right now you are just saving the digitized polygon in KML format and save in the pop-up window. That's what you would be doing. This is then you can locate the appropriate destination folder in which you want to save the digitized map in KML format. The polygon would be this way, can be stored. I am again would like to repeat that here the save type map would be only in KML, and then in further session we would be discussing as to how you can change it to shapefile, which would be required for further analysis in QGIS. So but here you have to save it as KML format only.